Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with a new PHP script of complete blogging website with admin panel. So let me give you the overview of that website. So this is the website that we are going to create using Infinite PHP script. So the name of this PHP script is Infinite, and if you want to buy this script, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Number is given on the screen. You can contact me. Don't worry about the price. Come to inbox and we will negotiate on the price. So you can see how amazing this blogging website is. This is news X theme and magazine theme. So you can see here is at landing page there is a slider and all the blogs, latest blogs are here. You can click them and read them. So when we scroll down below, there are some other blogs of fashion, nature, and here is a popular posts of your website, and you can also run ads on this website in this section and earn a lot of money through ads. So these are all the blogs of lifestyle, business, of different categories, photography, and here is the RSS feeds, fashion. By clicking them, you can view all these category of blogs. So this is the blogging website home page. So you can completely change this website, and through admin panel the complete control of website is under your hand, and basically you can completely change, add, delete everything from the website you want to. So here is a contact section. By clicking it, you can redirect it to a contact section and contact the developer of website or the owner of website. And here is about us, and this is all about the website. So I will go back to home. So there are several different pages. Here you can read business blogs, design, photography, and here you can read travel blogs. Here are fashion blogs, RSS news, galleries, and some external. You can also add some external links and pages. So let's go to the admin panel and explore how it looks like and how you can control this website. So I will go to the admin panel. And this is the complete admin panel of this website. You can control the complete website through admin panel. You can see all the posts of your website. Here are the pending posts, draft, users, and etc. So user can also come to your website, create its account, and add blog posts. So this is an amazing website of blogging. So you can see pending comments, you can approve them. You can see contact messages from here to dashboard. So here are the themes. So there are 6 themes are given to you in this website. You can use them. So this is a complete amazing website. So you can see there are 6 different themes of the website. Means you have 6 different websites in a single PHP script. So here is the navigation. You can add menu links, etc. through this, and you can directly view site from here. And here is the pages section. So these were all the pages that are on your website. You can edit them, you can add new pages from here, and you can select different options, edit them or delete the pages from this section. So when I click on add page, it will give me add page option. So it is title of page, slug of page, description. You have to add everything and you can create the page of website. So here is a post option. You can control your page posts from this website. So through this option, you can add posts. By clicking it, you can see post details, everything. You can add videos, photos in your post. So here you can add videos to your post. So when I scroll down below, and here are all the posts. When I click it, all the posts on your website were appeared here. So you can edit them, delete them, and control them from here, and add new posts from here. And here's a slider posts. All the slider posts are appeared in this section. So these are all the posts that are in the slider. You can remove them and add another post to the slider. So these are pending post, auto post deletion, etc. So these are the draft options, and here RSS feed. You can also add RSS feeds to your website, and here's a category. You can make the category of blogs and then show this category on your home page. So here's a polls option. You can also add polls to your websites. So This is a gallery. You can add albums, categories, images, etc. From here you can manage contact comments related issues. From here you can manage pending comments, approved comments, etc. So contact messages are here. So newsletter option, ad space option. By running, you can also run ads on your website and earn money through ads. So here's the user. You can manage user, add user, etc. So by clicking this you can add a new user to your website. So here's a role permission. You can give your permissions of post and to super admin, admin, author, etc. All these you can manage post related permissions from here. So here's a cache system, SEO tools. You can manage SEO of your blog post, and you can also add your social login details. You can set your email settings from here, language setting from here, and you can also set font of your website. By this setting, basically you can change the site title, you can change the time zone. So from here you can change application name, admin panel link, and many things you can change from here. So here's the number of pages. You can manage everything from here. So you can see all the things. So from font setting you can change font of the website. So here you can change the fonts. So this is the general overview of this website, and hope you like this website. So if you want to buy this PHP script, you can contact me on WhatsApp on the number given on the screen, and we will negotiate on the price of script. So don't worry about the price. Thank you very much for watching this video.